Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. We are from 𝐂𝐫 Solutions, a registered IT company. Managing staff accounts and ledgers in the software. In today's video, we'll see how to maintain the accounts and ledgers of your staff, workers, and sellers working with you, all in one seamless software. Staff details, keeping everything organized. In the staff details section, you'll find all worker details listed. If you need to modify anyone's information, simply click on their name, select details, and their record will open up. Opening balance, what you need to know. Balance and pay criteria. If the balance is marked receivable, that means your business is yet to receive this amount from the employee. If it's payable, the company owes that amount, maybe pending salaries or any other outstanding payments. Once you've set up all worker details, including their SNCC number and other important information, everything updates in the software. Easy, right? Adding employee salaries. Let's get it done. Since salaries fall under business expenses, head over to the expenses module, then click salary details to start. 1. Click add. 2. Select the month and year, e.g. 2023. 3. Choose the employee and enter their basic salary. 4. Pick a payment method, cash or bank. If bank, enter the bank name and transaction ID. 5. Have any incentives, bonuses, or commissions? Enter them here. 6. Any salary deductions, like absences or penalties? Add those too. 7. The final payable amount will be calculated automatically. No manual work needed. If the salary is fully paid, mark it as complete. If it's a partial payment, enter the amount paid and the remaining balance will be shown separately. Hit save and you're done. Generate salary receipts, fast and simple. Want a salary receipt? Click on report. Share it via WhatsApp, email, or print it on A4, A5 paper, whichever works best for you. Updating employee ledgers. No more confusion. Go to employee ledger to check salary transactions. If an employee's salary appears in negative minus, it means they've already taken an advance payment. If the salary is payable, the business still owes them that amount. For example, if an employee's salary ledger shows 38,200 PKR, the company must pay them this amount. Adjusting payments. Quick fixes when needed. Need to make a payment? Use adjust payment. Select the employee's name, choose cash or bank. If bank, enter the account details and transaction ID, enter the paid amount and add a note, optional. Click save. This will update the ledger and automatically adjust the cash balance in the system. Perfect, right? More payment adjustments. Here's how. 1. Payable entry. Want to increase the balance in an employee's account? Example, if they had 39,000 PKR due and you add 5,000 PKR, their total due becomes 44,000 PKR. 2. Cash change. This is for cases where the business gives cash on credit and you want the cash register to reflect it. Generating employee ledger reports. Stay organized. Want a PDF report of the employee's ledger? Click Ledger. Choose the time period you need. Click Report. That's it. Your PDF report is ready. Super easy, right? Conclusion, we've got it covered. In today's session, we learned how to properly manage staff ledgers in the software. Hope this helps you stay organized and efficient. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care and bye.